Question 5, enlarge. So you should get, okay, it give you 6b to the 4, and then minus 4b squared minus 9b squared, negative 3, negative 2 plus 6. So equal to 6b squared minus 13b, 6b to the 4 plus 6. b to 4 minus 13b squared plus 6. b s equal to half u plus v t. Find the value of s when u equal to 20, v 30, t equal to 7. So s equal to half, just substitute 20 plus 30 times 7. Use the calculator, you should get 175. Rearrange formula to write v in terms of s, u, and v. So s equal to half u plus v t. Bring the 2 over, you get 2s equal to u plus v t. So u plus v equal to 2s over t. So u plus v equal to 2s over t. Therefore, v equal to 2s over t minus u. F, okay, C, factorize completely. 4 terms, therefore, be 2 by 2, factorize this, and then this. So, this will be t 2q minus 3, and then minus, okay, you may want to rearrange first. Minus, okay, we'll rearrange first. 2qt minus 3t plus 4q minus 6. Okay. So now easier, this and then this. Okay, so you get t 2q minus 3 and plus 4 2q minus 3. Okay. Do take note. So in the bracket need to be same. Okay, and then t plus 4 and 2q minus 3. One is from here, t plus 4 you put into 1. T plus 4, 2q minus 3. Just x squared minus 25. So they still can factorize on the bracket. Therefore, it's x squared minus 5 squared. Get x plus 5, x minus 5. This will be in the form of this part here, in the form of a squared minus b squared. You get a plus b, a minus b. So the final answer will be x plus 5, x minus 5. I hope this discussion will help you in your exam preparation. And remember, practice is the key. Good luck with your studies and don't forget to subscribe. See you again. Bye-bye.